Hello, my darling students. This is a very short video to show you how to read the readability test, this test score for your documents. Sometimes your teachers want you to do this, or maybe you'll just want to do it for yourself to see how difficult a certain reading is. And it will also show you how long, I'll show you how to see how long your article is. So for your assignment, you needed an article between 1,500 and 2,000 words, I believe, and you needed a test score of 12 or more. So that's like grade 12. All right, so what you need to do first, find your article. So I'm using one of our articles we used for class. What I've done here is you can see that I've just taken only the text. You could even delete some of these pictures and descriptions here. For today, I'm not going to bother because I don't have the time, but what I'm going to do is Control A. That's selecting all of this text, okay? I'm going to press Control C. So that's copying all of this text. Then I'm going to go to the link that I've given you, and I want to test by direct input, okay? So I'm just going to, boom, click on that. Then here, I'm going to click where it says enter text, and I'm going to press Control V. I'm going to paste all this stuff here. If there's something here I don't want to include, like maybe I don't want to include all of this, so I can just delete it directly from the window, okay? But generally speaking, everything from that article is there. Then I'm going to just click this tab here, Calculate Readability. And it's going to show me my test results here. Your text has an average grade level of about 11. This should easily be understood by 16 to 17-year-olds. Great. So the Flesch Kincaid grade level here is 10.2. Just so you know, for your article analysis, I've asked you to choose an article that's 12 or higher, okay? Because I think you can read more. So this is what you're looking for here is the Flesch Kincaid grade level. It also gives you some test statistics down here, like how many sentences. Look, here's the number of words. This is only 963 words. I wanted you to pick something a little bit longer. This is a little special thing because one of our students asked for this here. At the bottom of this page, you can see it's 974 words. So this is how you check the word count here. Okay, but this is what you're looking for here, the Flesch Kincaid grade level. 10, you want 12. All right, I hope this was helpful.